10 minus 5 gives us 5. And again, here we have 10 minus 5, which again gives us 5. And 5 times 5 is equal to 25. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, so according to the rule, first we have to solve parentheses, and then exponent, and then multiplication and division, and addition or subtraction. So here every letter stands for its own arithmetic. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication or division, A and S stands for addition or subtraction. So the thing is, this is their priority: 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So the first priority is parentheses, and then exponent, and then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. If we solve subtraction before multiplication, that is wrong, right? We have to solve the multiplication before subtraction, because clearly multiplication or division have a higher or greater priority than subtraction or addition, right? So let's go back into the problem. Here we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and one subtraction problem. So we have to solve the multiplication before everything else, right, in this problem, because multiplication has the higher priority in this expression. So 5 times 10 gives us 50, and 10 minus 50 minus 5 is going to be the next equation, and 10 minus 50 gives us negative 40, and negative 40 minus 5 is equal to negative 45. So the final answer to this question is negative 45.